Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Guyanese-style donuts, step by step. First, gather your essential ingredients like all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and active dry yeast. Next, activate your yeast by dissolving it in warm water with a small pinch of sugar. This ensures your dough will rise beautifully. Finally, combine your dry and wet ingredients, mixing until a soft dough begins to form. This initial preparation is key to a successful batch. Once your ingredients are combined, it's time to knead the dough. Work it thoroughly until it feels smooth and elastic, which typically takes about 10 minutes. Then, place the dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it, and let it rest in a warm place. You'll want to allow it to rise until it has doubled in size, which usually takes 1 to 2 hours, depending on your room temperature. After your dough has risen beautifully, gently punch it down and roll it out on a floured surface. Aim for a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Now, use a round cutter or even a knife to create your desired donut shapes. Heat vegetable oil in a deep pot to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil and fry them until they are golden brown on both sides. Once your donuts are perfectly golden, remove them from the oil and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While they are still warm, you can toss them in granulated sugar or, for an extra treat, a mixture of cinnamon sugar. These simple steps complete your delicious Guyanese-style donuts. Serve them immediately and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.